The content on this album contains material that may not be suitable for sensitive, politically correct, whiny, bleeding heart sissies. If you were offended by anything that you just heard, you shouldn't have listened to it.
What is going on, YouTube? I'm back here with another video. I know I haven't posted in about a month and a half. We are currently out here in Illinois at a Target distribution center, taking this load to Moores, Alabama. Went ahead, did pre-trip on the truck, made sure everything lined up. So we're gonna go ahead and on the road, and I got some stuff to talk to you guys about. Yes, I did get a new truck. There's something else that I gotta show you guys, because my last video I was still in the KW. I did wind up getting a 2026 Freightliner.
The fuck up out my face with what you talking about. I got too much on my plate, and I know you can't relate. It's so love it, it be fake. Fuck you talking about. Shit be covering up that hate. I know how to spot a snake. Niggas talk that drum and bass. Fuck you talking about. So you better know your place. Stay inside cause it ain't safe. Bitch, I'm outside with the eggs. Fuck you talking about.
Alright, so we out on the road now. Gonna go ahead, jump into whatever I gotta talk about with you guys. We're gonna try to make this video a little bit more entertaining than last few videos. YouTube, what's up, man? I told you guys I had something to talk about, so we're gonna go ahead and start talking about it. If you guys don't want to hear the rambling, damling, go ahead and skip half of the video or whatnot. But we did start doing solo not too long ago. I haven't been posting because I was on a Walmart dedicated run, which I was home 2 days a week, if not every other night. It really wasn't that bad. I really enjoyed my time during that time, and I thought about making videos, but I was more worried about getting the loads there, done, try to go home for the night. And now we're back out here OTR because they did wind up shutting that run down. Gonna be one of the first people that they call whenever the run does open back up. Yeah, we started solo, ended up hopping on the Walmart dedicated run, and I thought stuff was smooth. They wound up throwing me back out here OTR. I'm not too mad about it. Chasing new miles, seeing things that I forgot were really out here. I don't want to say a more used truck, but it definitely was more used than my KW. I'm still completely cool with the kid Brian that I was team driving with. If you heard me call him a kid, he'd be a little mad that I said that. We do go home here on the 4th of August. So videos, I'm going to try to pump out 1 or 2 videos a week. I know I said that last time, and then I took a month and a half hiatus. Ain't got nothing better to do. We're going to try to do at least 1 or 2 videos a week. Some videos may be a little longer, some may be a little shorter. Yeah, just stay tuned with the video. Continue to share the videos, like the video, subscribe. And the only way from here is up and up and up.
Yeah. You hear my words, but got no clue about who I really am. A shark infested water. Phrases like that make me sound harder and more ruthless, but the truth is that I merely swam out the stolo, semis bland, willy-nilly over kilograms. Niggas selling rock like Stilly Dan. Out of control, how does the soul find a third cleanse when all of this cold water that flows has for sure been contaminated with sin? Planted in the latest of trends, stranded in this land of the antiquated ways that I'm in, standing in a state of
Well, there's a line to get some fuel today. Where the hell am I at? Crackheadville? I think I've actually been here. Well, shit happens.
Might change from delivery to delivery with you guys, you never know. Can't be on a roll.
Is that you?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay.
Comment down below if you guys like the way the video sounds, because I did get a new mic. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. Of course he gets in front of me, so now I gotta slow down. If not, I'm gonna continue to get in trouble. Damn, we that close to Louisville. Going out through Memphis. So I think that I can get towards Memphis. But I sure as hell don't want to stop in Memphis. I don't think anybody in a right mind would want to stop in Memphis. Everybody talks about lot lizards, and I'm going to be honest, the only time I ever seen a lot lizard was in Memphis. And that shit is disgusting. All of Memphis, if you live there, I'm not talking shit about your area. I'm just saying, why the fuck do you live there, bro? There ain't nothing cool that goes on there. I'd rather stop in New Jersey. And if you know me, I hate Jersey, I hate New York, and I dislike Chicago. Those are the three places I absolutely despise of going. Hell no. You can keep whatever money you think's worth running that, because I'm not doing it. This one. Appreciate you.
Have a good one.
You as well.
Seeking a way to defend reputations because their names are actually greater than them. Life is a trip, you can't predict the when or way that it ends. Bullets travel straight through the skin like gamma rays in the wind. My greatest of wins came when I annotated my gems. The shit I write so far, I got my hand afraid of my pen. Get the fuck up out my face with what you talking about. I got too much on my plate, and I know you can't relate. They show love, but it be fake.
Did anybody know that Prime had tankers? It says food grade, but like still, did anybody know that Prime had any tankers? Hello. That should start with a what, 2-4? Fuck, bro. Tell me I don't have the right shit. 1-0. Well, I don't know if it's recording or not, but we're here. I got the trailer in. I didn't record because that shit would have been embarrassing. So, gonna go ahead, disconnect from this trailer. Go ahead, wait for my next load to be ready. Ow, motherfucker. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead, throw this on, get the hell up out of here, go park up for the night. Bunch of cat food. Bunch of cat food. Cool beans. I don't even check to make sure lights work. It's a brand new trailer. I hope they work. It's one of our newest trailers. Alright, so it's been about 45 minutes since I last picked up the camera. I also do think that I'm going to end the video once I drop this load off so that way I can go ahead and finish editing this video and get it posted for you guys, and then I'm going to start the next video. But I got a call yesterday saying that Walmart is looking for 20 more drivers from our company, and he said I was the first one that he called. So he's gonna throw me back on it.
Fuck you talking about? Shit be covering up the hate. I know how to spot a snake. Niggas talk that drum and bass. Fuck you talking about? So you better know your place. Stay inside cause it ain't safe. Bitch, I'm outside.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity.
Yeah, so sometimes they gonna bring me down to motherfucking city. I think I'm in Birmingham right now. Fucking too big for this shit, man. Sometimes the metropolitan areas be so damn hard to maneuver in a semi truck, bro. Damn, it does this shit. Gotta come out wide because that's a stupid ass corner. Cut this shit wide as fuck.
That shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now that outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work.
Well, it would not be one of my videos if it was not raining, now would it? Well, this the bullshit that you gotta deal with when you're coming through Atlanta. This is a pretty consistent pace of Atlanta. I wish I was over exaggerating. Construction everywhere. Do 5 miles an hour for the next 10 miles till I get off the highway. Alright, so this is going to be the end of the video. It was a little bit of a longer video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.
In order, this shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by more, we swiping and keeping no door. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm sturdy, got 5 million cash just in case it get murdered. My young niggas still get away, they be purging. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going at nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your own round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving ain't solid. I keep them on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, 8 ways like an octopus. No way in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck that we poppin' them. Been raising hell back in school, I was poppin' them. Yeah, all of my hoes get fake, she fake. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised it. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas been a lot, they had to switch on my phrase. And I'm sitting outside till the fouls get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm straight. Tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, you tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah.